Hi guys, my name is Miss Long and I am a teacher with PLA at Jones Clark in Texas, and today I get to teach a lesson to first graders on, math. So let's get started. Our first order of business is to go over our learning goal for today. So our learning goal is I can find 10 more and 10 less from a 2-digit number without counting. So today we're going to be doing something called mental math. So let's get started. The first strategy that I'm going to teach you on how to find 10 more and 10 less is by using a hundreds chart. So right here I have a hundreds chart that we will be using a lot during this lesson. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a number. So I have chosen 35. So when you are trying to find 10 less, all you do is look up and jump up one square, okay? So 10 less than 35 is 25. It's the number right above it. And if I want to find 10 more, I'm going to just jump down one square. So you can see that when I'm finding 10 less and 10 more, I'm focusing on the tens group, okay? So if you notice, I have 5, 5, and 5. That means that all of my ones stayed the same. The only thing that changed was the tens group. So I went from 25 to 35 to 45. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to choose the number 28. So the number I chose is 28. What do I do if I want to find 10 less? Do you remember? If you said jump up, you are right. So I jump up one square, so 10 less than 28 is 18. Okay? Do you remember how to find 10 more? If you said jump down one square, you are right. So I jump down one square, so 10 more is 38. And notice again, 8, 8, 8. The ones did not change. The only thing that changed was the tens group. 1, 2, 3. So another way that you can double check your work to make sure you did it correctly is by seeing if there is a sequence to the numbers. 1, 2, 3. Remember, sequence means that something is in order. So you want to make sure that the numbers are in order, because it wouldn't make sense if you said 1, 4, 3. That wouldn't be 10 less or 10 more. The numbers need to be in a correct sequence. Okay, let's get started on our practice. So here we have some numbers, and then I have my hundreds chart right here so that I can use it while I'm answering these questions. So my first number is 87. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 87. So I see here's the 8s, here's 87. And now I need to find 10 less. 10 less. So remember, when you're finding 10 less, you jump up. So 10 less is what number? 77. Good job. So I will write 77 right here. Now I need to find 10 more. Jump down one spot. So 10 more is the number 97. Good job. Again, notice 7, 8, 9. The tens changed. The ones stayed the same. They are all gonna be 7. Okay, we're moving on to the next one. 54. So I'm going to find 54. Here's my 5s. Here's 54. I need to find 10 less. What do I do? You said jump up. You are correct. Jump up 1 square. So I know that it is 44. So I will write 44 right here. Now, 10 more. I have 54. You jump down 1 square. So what is 10 more than 54? 64. Good job. So I will write 64. Again, 4, 5, 6, and then the ones stay the same. So the tens place is the only part that's changing. Next number, 26. Here is 26. So I will jump up to find 10 less. What number is this? You said 16, you are correct. So I will put 16 right here. So I'm gonna try to do this one without using my hundreds chart. Okay, so remember we've been working on the sequence. 4, 5, 6. So I have 1, 2, what number goes next? 3. If you said 3, good job. So I'm gonna put a 3. And then, what am I gonna put here? Remember, look at the ones. The ones do not change. So I will know that I will be putting 6 here. So 16, 26, 36. That's in the correct sequence. But I'm gonna double check my work to make sure that I did it correctly. So 26, here's 26, jump down, it's 36. I got it, so I did it correctly. Okay, moving on to 13. So I'm gonna find 13, jump up. What's my answer? What's 10 less? It's 3. So in this case, there was no 10 here. There's no 10s here because it's just 3 ones. There's no 10s yet because in this group, in 13, there's only one group of 10. So 3, 13, if it helps you to see it a little bit better to understand it, you could put 0 because it means that there's 0 groups of 10. Okay, so 0, 1. So what's gonna go here? If you said 2, you are correct. And then what am I gonna put for my ones? 3. If you said 3, you are right. And I'm gonna double check my answer. 13, 23. I got it. Okay, next one, 40. So I'm going to try to not use the hundreds chart at all for this one. So what comes before 4? 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. So I know that 3 comes before 4. So I'm gonna write a 3. Then how many ones are there here? There's none. It's a 0. So I will write a 0. So I have 30, 40. What would come next? 50. If you said 50, you are correct because I have 3, 4, 5. They are in the correct sequence and it makes sense. But I'll still double check my work because that is always the right thing to do. Okay, 40. Here is 40. I'm gonna jump up. 30, jump down, 50. So I know that I did it correctly. Last one, 79. Let me find 79. Here we go. So, I'm not gonna use the hundreds chart. What is 10 less? Well, I have 7, so what number comes before 7? 6, 6, 7. So I will put a 6. Then I see that there are 9 ones here, and I know from all of these times that I've been practicing that the ones do not change. So I will be adding a 9 here. So we have 69, 79. And then what will come next? 6, 7. If you said 89, you are correct. You guys did such a good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. You guys did great. So the next part of this lesson you guys will be doing on your own with the worksheet that is linked to this video. So if you do not have a hundreds chart at home, you can easily just Google one, or better yet, you can practice making your own hundreds chart. And so you could just make that hundreds chart in the notebook that you have. So I want you guys to get out your math notebook and open up to a fresh page. Once you're on that fresh new page, you are going to be writing lesson number and then the date. And that is it. I hope you guys learned a lot today. Good job.